What's up, guys? So this is the morning of day 2. We're making some breakfast here. We got some eggs, some potatoes, peppers and onions with it, salt and pepper.
Like
so that's gonna be some good food.
All right, so
got a little fire going.
Got a plate.
Mike's got his coffee. So we're starting out the day, and we're gonna just chill out for a little while and start packing up everything. And we should be good.
Whoa, that's okay.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're heading out for the day to go hiking, and we're gonna possibly come back to the same campsite. So we're gonna head out and start hiking and see how far we can get, see what we can find, and I'll show you guys the stuff along the way. Alright, guys, this is something that I like to call Heart Attack Hill. Man, this is steep. Can't really see it on camera, but it's like straight up. Man, we're still walking, checking the area out, and like I say always, if we find anything cool, you'll definitely see it. Alright, I figured I'd show you guys this cool, awesome view. This is the highest point of the mountain that we're on right now. Pretty awesome. Just wanted to show you guys this area real quick. I thought this was pretty cool. Nice cliff face with a whole bunch of rocks. Alright, guys, I just came upon this old tower in the middle of the woods. It's pretty cool.
Dad, how come it
both of
isn't
you guys
going down?
try. But stay on this side.
There's a spider web right there, Nate.
Oh, listen.
I had no clue there was
Guys,
sides.
you're not going to push it off. Just see if it moves. Because we don't want to ruin anything natural.
Alright, use it afterwards.
Okay? If it moves, don't push it off.
Moving?
Is it moving?
Yeah, it is a little bit.
Oh, that's funny. It does move. Okay, but we're not going to touch
Can I
it
get on it?
as long as it doesn't fall off. Because we don't want to ruin anything. Okay? It's a natural. It's a natural.
I won't be able to get down.
Yeah. Moving. Listen, it's a natural occurring rock. We don't want to ruin anything for anybody. So it moves, but don't.
Congratulations. Oh, sorry about that, guys, but my face just went into a spider web. hate spiders. Ugh. Give you guys some just experience what this is like walking through here. That's why I'm not talking. To give you guys some ambient noises. You hear the birds and everything. This is awesome. Alright guys, I'll pick it up here in a second. Alright guys, we gotta climb up this, guys. Let's go. Man, this is steep. Oh, this part's straight up. Alright. Try my best here. Okay, guys, made it. Whew. Give you guys a little perspective. Yeah.
Am I rocky now?
No.
Okay. That was easy. It's easier than it looks.
Yeah, it definitely is. I thought I was... Guys, just to warn ya, it's much easier than it looks.
I ran up it.
That's cool.
Woo! There's this big flat rock that you can come on. It's like huge. Yup, kind of. Oh, it's an awesome view. There's like hardly any trees blocking it. Oh, my cat. I did the same as you.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it before.
Alright, what's up guys? We're at this view still. What we're going to do is we're going to do a drop test for you. Basically, we're going to show you the size of the rock in our hands. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you how far the drop is down. Fine. Alright guys, like I said, we're going to do that drop test. So here it is. Wait. I want to show them, this is the scale of the rock in your hand. So it's a pretty big rock.
And look, show them down.
I want to show you down, and you're going to throw it, and I'm going to point it down. So go ahead, ready?
No, she's upstairs.
There he goes. About 2.5 to 3 seconds.
Yeah. So how far down?
I'm not positive. I don't know. I forgot the math on that. I don't know if it's 50 feet per second. Is that what it is? Michael, do you know?
Oh, it's...
You can climb right to the bottom.
Michael, is it 50 feet per second when you throw a rock?
No, it's 10, I thought.
Huh? Per second? No,
Yeah.
this is higher than 30
Oh, that's
feet.
meters.
No,
I'm
when you
talking
jump
about
to
meters.
192 feet, it takes almost.
Alright guys, this is pretty cool. What we're going to do is there's a solar eclipse today that hopefully I can be able to catch on camera. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to stay up here and actually eat our hot dogs. We brought our little stove device that I was talking about in the last video, or yesterday for me. And there's Mike. So we're gonna chill up here, eat some hot dogs, explore a little bit, and yeah, wait until the solar eclipse. I believe the solar eclipse starts at like 1:30 something, 1:40 something, and then the peak of it is at 2:44. Where I live, it's only gonna cover half of the sun, so it's not gonna be total, but it's still gonna be cool to look at. So hopefully you guys can be looking forward to that. So with that, I'll pick it up in a second.
It's going to be even lighter on the way back.
What did you say?
Oh.
What are hot dogs made out of?
You don't want to know.
Yes, I do.
Guys, I said, how come nobody's listening?
Is it pig butt?
Alright. Are you filming now?
I have that.
Well, get everybody... sit down.
What are hot dogs made out of?
Zit. And
dogs.
and pig lips. And double chins like mine.
You don't have a double chin?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to. Stick your chin out.
Dad, you didn't really notice this.
A double chin is like when it's like a butt chin.
So what is that behind you? See it?
Yeah.
What is that? Are we cooking on top of a mountain?
No.
Oh, the scarecrow.
What are you sitting on? Oh, I'm just kidding.
Huh? It does.
Yeah. You know what, guys? I didn't really care for these hot dogs. They're alright. They fill the hole, but
It's kind of...
They're not beef.
they are
boring.
beef.
I know, they don't taste like it though.
No, it's not full born.
It
Why
tastes
they're
boring.
It's still okay though. I mean, it wasn't horrible.
It tastes better than boiled.
Can I get another hot dog?
Sure.
Whoa.
You only have one, but you think you have two. You want another one?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's a little...
Is that actually made for hot dogs?
Yes? No.
Alright guys, what is up? I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about this hiking trip. Thank you guys so much for the support on this. The first video got 16 views already, last time I checked, so thank you guys for enjoying that so much. I'm in the process of editing this second day video right now, and unfortunately this is the end of the video. Basically what happened the first day is we did not come prepared in regards to sleeping arrangements, because when we went to set up the tent, we did clear out most of the stuff underneath it, but we didn't really weren't 100% thorough, and so there was rocks and everything underneath, and we were on a hill, so just that being uncomfortable, not being prepared with that way, we really didn't sleep very much. Some people didn't even go to sleep the whole entire night due to that. So this second day, you could tell, was a little less filming because we didn't really get much sleep, and unfortunately there was no third day. We actually, after this clip, we actually walked back to our campsite, grabbed our stuff, and we actually left. That's why these videos are out a little bit earlier. So there's going to be no day 3, so I'm very sorry about that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. We're definitely going to do this again. It's going to be me, my dad, and Mike only. So it's just going to be the 3 of us, and we're going to be much more prepared. And trust me, I'll make those videos a lot better. So sorry about that, guys. I know you're looking forward to
you know, a 3-day thing. But hopefully you enjoyed it anyways, and definitely going to be doing another one of these overnight hiking trips. It was really fun. We just got to come a little bit more prepared for sleeping arrangements and everything. So, again, sorry, but hopefully you guys really enjoyed, and if you did, obviously leave a like, subscribe if you guys want to see more, and again, thank you guys so much for watching and the support. And I'll see everybody in the next one.